Here is how you can assign a ringtone to a specific number on the iPhone. So if you're new here, definitely become part of the Foxtecc community so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So you need to at first have that phone number saved in your contacts in order to actually assign any kind of ringtone to it. So you can go to the contacts, set up a new one, and add the number there. But once you have it saved, you can get inside that contact, make sure it shows up in like the full screen, and in the top right we have the edit button. So when you go to the edit mode, you can see that we have plenty of ways to customize it, like add more names and numbers and whatnot. But there's also the ringtone and a text tone selection. So by default, it's gonna adopt one from like the entire iPhone settings, and you can click on it and decide that you choose something completely different. So again, you have the regular selection of the ringtones, or you can purchase one from the Tune Store or download those which you have purchased before. So, you can kind of like even go out and beyond and just like purchase a separate ringtone for that person only. So that's kind of how it works. Of course, we have the things like the haptics, which are like the vibrations for that incoming call from this person, and also the text tone, which kind of works exactly the same. You can pick something specific for that contact only. So that's how you can assign ringtone to a specific number. I hope it helped. And if you don't want to miss more videos like this, I would recommend you to subscribe to Foxtecc for more explanations and guides like this one.